Hello guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to do some automation in n8n using WhatsApp. So we are not going to use the WhatsApp Business Cloud API because we can't automate message in groups, and it's also difficult to send message to a phone number as we want. So for that, we are going to use Whapi.Cloud API. There is a link in the description to try it for 5 days for free. When you sign up for free, you will get to this dashboard, and here you need to grab your token. So copy paste your token and come back to n8n. So to automate message in group, there is a first step is actually to get the group ID. So WhatsApp put a specific ID to each group, and we are going to use the HTTP node to use Whapi.Cloud.api. So take an HTTP node, and when you are here, let's go. So to grab the ID of the group you want to do some automation, you use the get method Whapi.Cloud.api/groups, and count is to how many groups you want him to give you back. Authorization, beer, you replace xxx with the token accept application. So just that's actually it. So I'm going to replace it with my token, just like this, and run it. So as you see, you get I get two groups because I select only two, and for each I get the ID of the groups. That's what we are going to use. So copy paste this and go to the next node. The next node is to just send a message to this group. So we are going to use the post method /message/text using authorization, of course, your token, and then you use JSON using the field below to, and here you put the ID of the WhatsApp group, or if you don't do a WhatsApp group, you can also put a phone number here without the plus, and it will be also good. So I replace the beer with my token and run it. Let's see if it works. So yeah, it worked, and I even received the notification. So that's a group. As you can see, there is 6 members. And I can also switch the value and put a phone number as you want, and also run it. So a real phone number, I don't know what I do. You need to know that that's just the basic. Of course, you can do like when there is a form submission, bam, it sends you a WhatsApp directly in the team group, or you can do to see how many users join your project every day in your team group. There is ton of things to do. And whereas a lot of people using n8n use Discord, Telegram, or things like this, I think WhatsApp is way more useful, and everybody has WhatsApp on their phone. So it's better. I want also to show you all the other things you can do, because I show you that you can send message in groups and to a phone number. That's pretty basic. You can also send videos, send gifts, send the location, do a polls, sticker, interactive message, get contacts, presents. For the groups, there is ton of options. You can create group. I have a workflow that create groups, put the PP, set the settings, everything like this. If it's useful for you, if it's useful to use stories. And one thing that I love is actually the business feature. So for the labels, you can automatically label customer. You can use AI to see the conversation and label the customer based on the intent, and then you can follow back. You can really get creative. And if you want to use, you just go here to Whapi.Cloud API. You see that you must just use the get method and the Whapi.Cloud/labels. And then here are some information to use in your node. So I hope this video helped you, and you can also do a chatbot using Whapi.Cloud. Maybe if you have a lot of users on your chatbot, it might be more helpful to use the WhatsApp Business Cloud API this time. So I hope this video helped you. It helped me a lot to automate message in groups, because you can't do this with the WhatsApp Business Cloud API, and I hope you take some value. Thank you.